Normal English.
Advanced English.
I'm very nervous.
I am on edge.
I'm scared.
I am freaked out.
I'm very hot.
I am boiling.
I'm very surprised.
I am blown away.
I'm very proud.
I am beaming.
I'm very lucky.
I am on a roll.
I'm very embarrassed.
I am mortified.
I'm tired of waiting.
I am fed up.
I'm in trouble.
I am in hot water.
I'm very relaxed.
I am chilled out.
I'm very cold.
Comment your answer below.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.